Okay, so let's do some truffles. 3, 2, 1, go. We put everything into the food processor first. Dates, nuts, the cacao powder, a little bit of rum extract. It gives this a bit of more adult taste to them. Dollop of vanilla. Yummy. Big amount of honey. This is the binding agent. Whee! Yeah, nice. And some spices. You can use whatever you like. I'm adding cinnamon and allspice. And right now, let's whiz it. And that's it. Ready. It has a very, very thick consistency. Okay, you just form a ball like this. Put it in the coconut. It is sticky, so the coconut sticks really well to it. That's it. One of them is ready. Okay guys, so that's how you make the vegan, indulgent and delicious truffles in less than 5 minutes. I hope you enjoy them, guys, and I will see you next time.